everyone, my name is Mira Scarlett and today I'm going to show you how to use the Brother ScanNCut SDX125e to score detailed, intricate designs into 2mm EVA foam for your cosplay projects. I'm also going to show you how to create a custom cut file in the Brother Canvas workspace. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you're going to do is open Brother Canvas workspace. Depending on the size of your project, you may need to adjust your artboard size. Since my artwork is larger than 12 by 12, I used 12 by 24. Once you've determined your artboard size, you can click on Image Tracing in the toolbar to the left. You can choose an image from your computer or one that you scanned into your ScanNCut. I drew my image in Procreate and exported it as a PNG file. Next, you need to choose the tracing option that will work best for your image. Since mine is complex, but only black and white, I chose the Trace Area by Color option. If it misses some parts of the image, you can reduce the number of colors so it will pick up more of the line art. Click OK. Now, your image has been made into many layers that will be read as cut instructions by your machine. To adjust the position of your image so that it fits exactly where you want it on the cutting mat, scroll down to the bottom of your layers and click the lock on the image layer. This will allow you to reposition and resize your file. Once you have it placed where you want, delete the image layer. This will only leave the cut file layers. You may need to make some manual adjustments to the cut layers that were created through the Trace Area by Color option, depending on your design and what you are trying to achieve. Make sure your USB cable is plugged into your computer and your ScanNCut, which needs to be turned on and on the home page in order to receive the file. Click Retrieve Data and select the machine. Your most recent transfer should be located at the bottom of the list. Make sure it is where you want it to be and that you have your artboard set to the correct size on your ScanNCut as well. If the artboard size isn't set correctly, go back to the home page, click on the wrench icon for settings, click Cut Area, and set it to whatever size you need. If everything is already good to go, then click OK. Next, you're going to have to tell the machine that you want this file to cut. Since we only want our foam to be scored and not cut completely through, you will have to adjust some settings. First, turn on half cut. The ScanNCut has a blade that auto-detects what material is put into the machine and will only do a half-cut way through the width of the material. I did some tests and found that turning the half-cut pressure down by -4 ensured that the blade wouldn't accidentally cut through certain parts with lots of heavy detail. You can also tell the machine to do a small test cut to make sure that the scoring is as deep or as shallow as you want. Once everything is set and you're happy with the test cut, you can press Start and the machine will begin doing all the work. Since foam doesn't like sticking to the tacky Brother ScanNCut mat, I use small pieces of painter's tape to keep it in place while the machine cut. Remove your project from the mat and put it on a heat-resistant surface. Grab your heat gun and begin heating up the scored designs in a circular motion so that not too much heat is concentrated in one area. Do this slowly until you see the scored design become more prominent. Now you can remove any excess foam from your design. But be careful not to accidentally peel up important details near the border if your design is complex like mine. Keep a small blade or X-Acto knife nearby to help release any parts that may give you trouble. Repeat this with however many designs you had cut. In my case, it was 8. Now, you can paint your foam and make it really pop. I used 2 layers of sealer and 2 layers of gold metallic spray paint once the sealer had dried. Look at how gorgeous that turned out. This would have taken forever by hand, and I don't even want to think about it. I'm so happy with how everything turned out in the end. It looks so crisp and detailed. Alright, well I really hope that this video was helpful, informative, and inspiring. Let me know in the comments below how you would utilize the Brother ScanNCut SDX125e in your cosplay projects. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please click subscribe, and look forward to more cosplay and crafting related content from me on here. Happy crafting, friends, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!